अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, हमने इब्राहिम की फरमाइश पर इंपोर्ट किया है 16 Pro Max
iPhone 16 Pro Max.
और हम इसे अनबॉक्स करने जा रहे हैं।
Hello guys, it's me Ibrahim. Today I didn't open my phone. iPhone 16 Pro Max. We got it. We tested it was only at Sedona. Then the phone at to Lahore, and so I will show you here. And from backwards here, backwards. And so look, what is its price? We will cut it with the cutter, with the red cutter. And it looks right here, and look like right here, and here.
Hello guys, this is Dr. Akil and you are watching Inside with Dr. Akil Ashraf. We are going to unbox 16 Pro Max. एक दफ़ा फिर हम जा रहे हैं एक नया फ़ोन 16 Pro Max लेटेस्ट एप्पल का iPhone अनबॉक्स करने और इसको अनबॉक्स करेंगे दाइन और इब्राहिम विद द रेड कटर. ओके कम फर्स्ट. ओके there is another seal. This never try at home. This try under the guidance of some elder. Okay.
No, it's
Wow! This is look.
that. Let me take it off.
Okay, this is very fight. This is the fight. This is the fight
No.
between the two kids. Okay. Good. Wow. This is the cable and this is the phone. Show it to. This is nice.
We show it
Andy?
to our friends.
Yeah, show it to your friends. This is nice. और ये देखेंगे. Okay, stop it.